Alright, so we're going to find the volume of some prisms. So number 17 says calculate the volume of the rectangular prism. So for volume, first we need to find the base of this prism. So what are the dimensions? What do we call this thing first that we're looking at in this picture? What is this thing called? I'll pause. It's a lunchbox. So what's the volume of the bottom of the lunchbox? What numbers do we multiply to get the, what numbers do we multiply to get the area of the bottom of the lunchbox? I will pause. It's 4 times 10, because those are the two dimensions of the base, which is the bottom, 4 and 10. So what is 4 times 10? I will pause. It is 40. Now, what number do I multiply the 40 by to get the total volume? I will pause. I multiply the 40 by 8.5. So I do 40 times 8.5. So let's do that in the calculator. Let's do 40 times 8.5. I will pause and call on someone to answer this one. And what do you get? 340. Now let's look at number 18. Number 18 says calculate. Number 18 says calculate the volume of the rectangular prism below. So which two numbers make up the base of this rectangular prism? I will pause. 4.1 and 4.1. So what two numbers am I going to multiply to get the area of the base? I will pause. I'm going to do 4.1 times 4.1. And what do I get when I do that? I will pause. I get 16.81. So what number do I multiply 16.81 by to get the volume of this prism? I will pause. The height is 4.1. So I'm going to do 16.1 times 4.1. And what do I get when I do 16.1 times 4.1? I will pause. I get 68.921. So what is the area, what is the volume of this prism? I will pause. The volume is 68.921. All right, now y'all are going to do 19 and 20 on your own.